History teaches us that the lessons of war are often painful, born from mistakes we swore we would never repeat.
Volume 1 of the Kinetic Lessons Learned details the high price paid for air superiority in the Great War. These early
We see the same mistakes echoed today. Unless we understand the history documented here, we are doomed to repeat the failures of the past.
And here, in the margin, is the clearest evidence of the critical error. A mistake that cost us dearly in the subsequent weeks.
The Sill mistake, the Ari mistake, wobble, there a hunt, and this toe und o mitruge.
The painful lesson here is clear. The material failure we documented in the journal corresponds exactly to this flaw in the cooling system schematic. Focusing on the coolant system here, this design flaw was identified too late, resulting in catastrophic engine failure during critical operations.
And this brings us to the cooling system. While innovative on paper, the field results revealed a critical flaw in the radiator design.
Meticulous connection of these conduits is essential. We must ensure robust cable management to avoid the failures experienced in previous generations.
This highlights the importance of both efficient cable management and accurate documentation.
So this discrepancy here... We're removing the fuel injection system now. Accurate documentation is critical. One misplaced bolt renders the entire assembly useless.
As you can see in Figure 4, the assembly process requires meticulous attention to detail.
We must follow the technical manual precisely. Every bolt has a specific torque setting, ensuring the reliability of the engine in the field.
As this diagram illustrates, the breakdown is complex. This is why meticulous adherence to the technical documentation is critical.
These systems are notoriously complex. You need to apply significant torque here, but be careful with the seal.
As history teaches us, rigorous testing and quality control during assembly are paramount. Failure here leads to...
Ensuring reliable performance in high-stress environments demands meticulous attention to detail and the most rigorous quality control testing we can provide.
Rigorous testing is paramount. These simulations ensure that every component, especially the electrical conduits...
This meticulous inspection and calibration process is essential. Quality control ensures these complex systems meet the...
As you can see on the schematic, the integration of these electrical systems requires meticulous attention to detail and adherence to strict protocols.
This is where quality control procedures are vital. The rigorous testing of these electrical connectors ensures the missile launch system integrates. The assembly of these propulsion systems demands rigorous quality control. Every component, every conduit you see here.
As we see here, securing these electrical conduits accurately is critical. A secure connection is...
As they tighten these bolts, they are ensuring the integrity of the breech mechanism. Precision in these mechanical connections is paramount for system functionality.
Precision is paramount in the assembly of the breech mechanism. As we see here, maintaining these electrical connections is critical to the propulsion system's reliability.
As demonstrated here, the precise inspection and replacement of this circuit breaker is critical. It highlights why meticulous maintenance...
Ensuring the reliable operation of these complex systems relies entirely on meticulous maintenance and the timely replacement of faulty components like this breaker. Replacing a faulty electrical conduit requires precision. These critical connections are essential for the propulsion system's integrity.
Wheels. These missile launch components must be secured meticulously. Any shift in transit, even a minor one, can compromise the system.
This phase is critical. Failure to properly secure this sensitive equipment renders it useless before it even reaches the field. The loading of sensitive equipment, such as this guidance system crate, requires absolute precision. As we've seen, the breakdown is precise, but assembly means nothing if the components don't survive transport. The integrity of the sensor array depends entirely on the securing process. Every strap must be tensioned precisely.
Maintaining these advanced systems requires absolute precision. Assembling these electrical conduits correctly is the difference between mission success and catastrophic failure. Precision in the field relies entirely on the successful integration of these advanced systems. The Maze Series tank demonstrates this capability.
Here we see the launch system being calibrated. Precision in these connections is critical. This ensures peak operational capability when deployed in the field.
Precision targeting relies heavily on this real-time data analysis. Our engineers are currently calibrating the systems to ensure maximum accuracy downrange.
As we see on the obstacle course,
The drone demonstrates its multi-terrain navigation capabilities, essential for modern reconnaissance. This is where the advanced materials truly shine. The integration of the multifaceted radar and electromagnetic propulsion unit.
The key lies in these advanced materials, drastically improving survivability. And here, the electromagnetic...
By integrating these AI-driven propulsion systems and advanced radar, we achieve unparalleled stealth capabilities and real-time situational awareness.
By upgrading the propulsion systems with advanced AI, we enhance stealth capabilities significantly, providing pilot and servants. As you can see on the schematic, the AI analyzes propulsion data instantly, optimizing our stealth profile.
The impact on modern strategy cannot be overstated. By integrating these advanced systems, we ensured a lasting...
Assessing the impact, our framework integrating AI propulsion and advanced radar technologies revolutionized modern military strategy and tactical execution.
Assessing the impact on modern military strategy, we see how AI-driven propulsion and enhanced radar capabilities... Assessing the impact required us to look back at these very documents. The evolution from these vessels to today's. The integration of AI propulsion and advanced radar fundamentally reshaped modern military strategy.
As I explained previously, the integration of these AI propulsion systems fundamentally enhances stealth capabilities and real-time situational awareness.
As it is written here in The Art of War, understanding the past is critical to mastering modern strategy, especially regarding stealth capabilities. As you can see in the marginalia here, the strategy emphasized real-time situational awareness, a direct precursor to modern radar integration. These pages reveal the true complexity of the quartermaster problem. Understanding these historical logistics failures is crucial for contemporary strategy. Highlighting these key events reveals a clear pattern. Advances in transport, from the horse-drawn wagon to the early...
The logistics of the Carpathian campaign hinged entirely on this valley pass. Failure to secure it meant certain defeat.
As we trace the route here, we see how these tactical maneuvers integrated the new radar technologies, ensuring air superiority in the sector.
Analyzing Operation Overlord, the coordination required highlights the importance of real-time situational awareness, something we now achieve with advanced AI and radar systems.
The decisive factor here, much like in 1944, is the integration of real-time intelligence, allowing us to rapidly adapt the deep strike profiles. And this is where the historical record becomes vital. The synchronization of forces during the initial breakthrough here at Normandy.
The landings at Omaha and Utah beaches demonstrate the critical importance of adaptable logistics, a lesson that...
These handwritten notes confirm the commander's intent. The flanking maneuver was improvised, not planned.
These sketches confirm the movements on the map. The commander understood that control of these highlands was essential. This map highlights the critical turning point of the campaign. The flanking maneuver detailed here was absolutely unprecedented for its time.
See how the red lines mark the initial engagement. They pushed through this valley, underestimating the resistance at the ridge.
Fascinating. Look at the etching here. It confirms my theory about the Prussian influence on their design.
Without this meticulous care, the historical context of this artifact would be lost.
These artifacts represent the pinnacle of ancient military engineering, each dent telling a story of past conflict and innovation.
These mechanisms tell a painful story. Each piece represents a life altered or lost in the theatre of war.